Honorable Zula.
Diabulela Speaker, mandinibulise malungu alendlu abekekileyo. As we honor the life and contribution of Ntate Likota, a son of the soil who dedicated much of his life to the struggle for freedom, democracy, and principled leadership in South Africa. Ntate Likota belonged to a generation of leaders who endured immense personal sacrifice in the pursuit of freedom and justice. During the dark days of apartheid, he stood firmly among those who refused to accept oppression as the destiny of our people. For his commitment, he paid a heavy price, including years of imprisonment in Robben Island, alongside many leaders of the liberation struggle. His passing reminds us that South Africa is gradually losing members of a generation that carried the burden of the struggle on their shoulders. It places then upon us, the current generation of leaders, the solemn responsibility to safeguard the democratic values for which they fought. As we reflect on his life, we must ask ourselves whether we are living to the standards of integrity, sacrifice, and patriotism that defined leaders such as Ntate Likota. On behalf of the ATM, we extend our deepest condolences to the Likota family, his comrades, and all those who were touched by his leadership and friendship. Re tsela tshweu Ntate Likota, ya hao tima o iphetile. May his soul rest in eternal peace. May his life continue to inspire us to serve South Africa with honor, humility, and unwavering commitment. Ke a leboha.
Thank you very much.